What if your computer could help write a story, find a song, or draw a purple dragon? It can do all of that, but it does not have a tiny person hiding inside. The big word for this kind of help is AI. AI is our word today. AI means a computer system that can do some jobs that usually need human thinking. The letters stand for artificial intelligence, but AI is much easier to say. You may already use AI without knowing it. It can help a phone hear your voice. It can also help a game choose what happens next. AI may seem like magic at first. It can answer a question in just a few seconds, but there is math, information, and human work behind every answer. Here's one easy way to understand AI. AI is like a big toolbox. Each tool inside can help with a different kind of job. A hammer is good at hitting a nail. A ruler is good at checking how long something is. One tool cannot do every job in the box. AI works that way too. One AI may be good at words. Another may be good at pictures, music, maps, or numbers. Think about an AI that works with words. You can ask it to make a bedtime story about a brave mouse. It uses what it learned to put useful words together. Now think about an AI that works with pictures. You can ask for a yellow boat under a pink sky. It tries to make a new picture that follows your request. Some AI can listen to sound. It may turn your spoken words into text. That can help someone write a note without touching a keyboard. Some AI can spot things in a photo. It may find a dog, a bicycle, or a stop sign. A car can use that kind of help to notice what is near it. Here's something important. AI does not think in the same way you do. You have a body, feelings, memories, needs, and a life in the real world. AI does not get hungry before lunch. It does not feel proud after winning a race. It works with patterns that people helped it learn. A pattern is something that happens again and again. If you see dark clouds many times before rain, you may notice a weather pattern. AI finds patterns in information. People give AI many examples while it is being made. The AI studies what often goes together. Later, it uses those patterns when it tries a new job. That is why AI can finish a sentence. It has seen many ways that words can fit together. It picks words that seem likely to come next. But likely does not always mean true. AI can make a mistake and still sound very sure. A smooth answer can hide a wrong name, date, or fact. You should check important AI answers. Ask where the information came from. If the answer is about health, money, or safety, show it to a trusted grown-up. AI also needs a clear job. If you ask for something fuzzy, it may guess what you mean. A clear request helps it choose the right tool and make a better answer. You are still the person in charge. You choose the goal. You decide if the answer is useful, safe, kind, and true. Suppose you need ideas for a school poster. AI can give you 5 short ideas. You can pick one, change it, and add your own bright idea. Suppose a hard word stops you while you read. AI can explain the word with smaller words. You can then use the new word in your own sentence. Suppose your story feels stuck. AI can suggest 3 things that might happen next. You are the writer, so you choose what belongs in your story. AI can help people work faster too. A doctor may use it to look for small marks in a picture from a body scan. The doctor still checks the result and makes the choice. A farmer may use AI to find dry parts of a field. A weather worker may use it to study storms. People use the tool, then bring their own care and skill. AI can be helpful for people with different needs. It can read words out loud or add words under a video. It can also help change speech into signs or text. Still, every tool needs rules. You would not swing a hammer beside someone's face. People should use AI with care, good rules, and permission. Private information needs care too. Your full name, home address, school, and secret words do not belong in every AI box. Ask a trusted grown-up before sharing personal details. AI is made by people, so people shape what it learns. If the examples are unfair or missing groups of people, the AI may learn unfair patterns. People must test it and fix problems. AI also uses computers that need power. Bigger jobs can use more power. The people who build AI should work to make it useful without wasting what our world needs. Will AI do every human job one day? No one knows exactly what will happen. We do know that people are best at choosing what matters and caring about other people. Your best power is not trying to act like a computer. Your best power is asking brave questions, caring about the answer, and making new choices. AI can help, but your mind leads the way. Now open our toolbox one last time. AI is the whole computer system that helps with jobs that often need human thinking. Different AI tools can work with words, pictures, sounds, or numbers. AI learns patterns from examples, but it can still be wrong. Give it a clear job, protect private information, and check important answers. Those 3 habits make you a smart AI user. The next time a grown-up says AI, you will know the word is not a secret code. It is a powerful tool made by people and guided by people. And now you know how to guide it too. You just learned a word that confuses plenty of grown-ups, that makes you the AI expert in the room. Subscribe if you want another big AI word made simple.